Hello, welcome to Mushy Airsoft. Today, now I have a brand new holographic scope and an ankle grip on my Scar. I've also changed the battery because the battery absolutely sucks. But I have this Blackbeard shield. Pretty cool, right? I also have this new tracer unit. Suppressor. It is actually pretty fun. This gun is so much better than last time. Last time it was not working very well because I put the wrong battery in it that absolutely sucks. Today I got Blackbeard shield at Dragon Fire Airsoft and it's a sweet day. The shield check. Okay, it's definitely dented, but it works. Oh wow. Yeah, you can actually see quite a few of the dents actually. It works. From there to there, so one respawn there, one respawn there, fighting that way. This is going to be of the map. They got kilos of cocaine, we can be the cartel. We're the cartel. Come?
Idea.
Okay. What is idea? River?
Yeah, stone floor.
I need to wash my boots anyway. Yeah. Oh, that's deep. Auto's on, right? Yeah. he's pushing right side of the, you know, the building. He's on the right side there now. So, Lucas, would you like to say anything for the camera?
No, I want to say something for the camera.
Yeah.
Blood for the blood.
Blood for the blood guard. So, Lucas, would you like to say anything for the camera?
No, I want to. Blood for the blood.
Blood for the blood guard. This is very nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, can you grab a smoke out of my backpack?
Backpack?
Yeah, big one at the far back.
Far back?
Yeah, there should be 4 in there.
Oh, there's the fun.
Oh.
There was a beak.
Hey man! Oh shit. This. Right. Oil, you say?
Yeah, they have oil.
We must invade.
I know. Oh, they have oil. Not our oil, their oil.
Shit. Smoke anywhere? Yeah.
We're in Sniper Tower. I was the fucking Chinese one. Okay, he's getting down out of the tower. Leave him alone.
Yeah? I don't have it. You want me to go grab it? I'll go grab my... it's good for ammo. Auto and single. Shit. Sorry. I think this is the last one.